lead, we make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which provides the best PGDM and international MBA course in Coimbatore district. Okay, and in this video, we are going to discuss an important question that was asked in a MAMAT question paper recently. Okay, it is a question based on algebra. So, few questions are based on algebra under mathematical skills. So, already we have uploaded so many videos based on September, December, and also FebMat question paper. And now we are in a series and we are uploading some questions based on MAMAT question paper that will definitely help you to boost up your score in the upcoming MAMAT examination. All the best, students. And now let us see a video question. If 1.5x is equal to 0.04y, you have to find out the relation between x and y. See, you need to find a relationship between x and y. So, x by y is equal to 0.04 divided by 1.5. See, both the numerator and denominator are in decimal. So, multiply both numerator and denominator by 100, you will get 4 by 150. Okay, so 4 by 150 is nothing but, so if I cancel in terms of 2 table, we'll get 2 by 75. Okay, now they are asking what is the value of y minus x by y plus x. Okay, divide both numerator and denominator by y. So 1 minus x by y, 1 plus x by y, which is equal to 1 minus x by y, 2 by 75. 1 plus x by y, 2 by 75. So if I take LCM, I'll get 73 minus 2 by 75, and here 75 minus 2 by 75 and 75 plus 2 by 75. So 75 I can cancel, and 75 minus 2 is 73, 75 plus 2 is 77. So 73 by 77 is your answer. Okay, so if they ask you question based on this, find out the value of x by y and substitute in the given equation. Okay, and make the given equation in terms of x by y by dividing numerator and denominator by some particular values. Okay, I hope you got some idea based on this algebra question. All the best, students. Hello, students. Don't forget to join our free online guidance webinar conducted by Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which provides the best PGDM and international MBA course in Coimbatore district. This webinar is to be held on May 26th, Friday at 7 o'clock. So I will provide you the link for this webinar in the description box. Kindly enroll through the link provided in this description box. Definitely you're going to get number of questions, important questions and tips and tricks to approach the mathematical intelligence part as well as data analysis part. Don't forget to join our webinar on May 26th, Friday at 7 o'clock. Hello students, greetings from Launch Lead Academy. Are you afraid of scoring 550 plus in the upcoming MAMAT examination? Don't worry, join our 10 days crash course and score 550 plus in the upcoming MAMAT examination. The link to enroll for this 10 days crash course we have provided in the description box, or you can also directly contact 8870046080. In this webinar, we are going to discuss important questions and concepts, and also we are going to give you the previous sets of questions based on MAMAT examination that will definitely help you to boost up your score. All the best, students.
Learn to lead, we make winners who lead.